Okay, so as you can tell by the different light, I've come outside. Just 'cause it's quite fumey this bit, or can be. It's rather windy out here, so what I'm going to do, I want to get the little bits done first. So I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol. There's not much, if any, of the rubber on them, but I just want to sort of clean them nonetheless, just in case there's any other gunk. Okay, so that's that, and then I think the washers are I don't know if you have them in other countries, but that's an ice cream van going around. So the chimes just let people know he's in the hood, and if they want to go get ice cream from the van, they can. But I got me some Haagen-Dazs in the freezer. And I want to get this done as well. So there's that bit. I think, yeah, that's all the little bits. I'm just gonna pop these into a little bit of kitchen towel. And just put them into a trouser pocket. So I don't want them to blow away into the garden and be lost. Okay. So, clean. Get rid of that. Let's get more of this inky, stinky ammonia that belongs to buggery, but seems to be doing a good job. Let's see. Yeah. So what I'm doing is just using Q-tips to go around and clean. I'm just really trying not to get any black along the edges that we cut open. It may be that there's tiny little bits. Yeah, the ammonia is much what's the smell? It's a little kind of challenging, shall we say? It's doing a good job of cleaning it without. Often the rubbing alcohol, it just smears. It cleans up, but it also really smears. Yeah, see, I don't know that the rubbing alcohol would be as sort of leaving it as quite as clean. Oh, I'm gonna have to pause because I think that's my ice cream arriving from Amazon.